In this episode, I'm going to show you how to incorporate a voltage multiplier in with it. Okay, and this is the both positive and negative sides of voltage multiplier coming off of an AC input. So if I hook it up to both sides of the AC, and I'm going to get my multiplied voltage out from the two sides of the capacitors. Oh, let me see if I can show it. I have a duplicate right here. What it is, okay, we got coming off of the plus and the minus, and the minus side comes into the dark part of the diode, and the plus side comes into the line side of the diode, and they connect, and that is one side of the AC. And then the ground and the plus connect, and that is the other side of the AC. And then off of the line side of the diode, you get the positive, and off of the dark side of the diode, you get the negative. This is my single phase magnet motor. It has 1, 2, 3 magnets facing the same direction as 3 magnets to where they attract each other. If we turn them upside down, they won't attract each other. Here. Next are 6 coils. And the outside diameter of the coil is the same as the outside diameter of the magnet, which is 1/2 inch. And the coils are in the middle, and the magnets, these are 3/4 each. So I got 1.5 inches of magnets with a 33 gauge 100 winding 6 coils, right? And they are all in series, going around to where I have just 2 inputs. Okay, coming off my battery. The reason I can't go super fast is because my production method is not very strong. It'll like break apart if it goes too fast. If I want to increase the current, also, not just the voltage, I have to put in a super capacitor, which increases the current. I already got it up to like 10 volts because it takes a while to get there, but it goes up slowly, but it comes down slowly also. So I'll hook up a light bulb to it. And this is a like 80 milliamp light bulb. and it's only pulling 60, but as the voltage goes down it pulls more. Hooking the input to the output can't happen, although you can take the output capacitor off and use it as the input. Say we charge 2 capacitors and then use one of them as your input. Then you get a higher voltage on the output until it gets down. Okay, the light coming off the input is close to 70 milliamps. Okay, my output voltage advanced to 10 volts from 5.3 volts, and here's the light on it, on the output, and it's pulling like 50 milliamps. But the voltage is dropping. As it drops, the current will go up. Let's see if we can get some spark off of the 5 volts input. And the capacitor output.